There's several symptoms that might indicate your vehicle needs an alignment. One of them might be pulling one direction or the other when you let go of the wheel. One of them might be the fact that your steering wheel is crooked while you're driving straight down the road. And the third is if you have some uneven tire wear where the tire's wearing on one side or the other. Those are things that might indicate you need to come in and see us for a front end alignment. We use the latest from Hunter's alignment system. They call it the Hunter Hawkeye Elite. State of the art, their newest alignment machine to make sure that we're getting the best measurement and making sure that your vehicle drives straight and gets the best possible tire wear that we can for you. As you can see, we set the vehicle up, we take the measurements, we look at the screen, we check it against the manufacturer's recommended specifications to see where it's at, make our adjustments so that we can get that good proper tire wear for you, make sure the steering wheel's straight. We test drive each vehicle afterwards to make sure all those things are done properly. The new sensors from Hunter are set up so that if you have custom wheels or painted wheels, it's all rubber where it contacts the wheel. The hooks actually hook onto the tire themselves. They don't interface with the wheel at all, making sure that we don't scuff or scratch any of those types of things. Especially today's new vehicles, they come with the nice aluminum wheels. We want to ensure that your wheels stay looking good after we've done what we need to do to make sure that your tires wear properly. We do offer custom front end alignments for vehicles that are lifted, such as the Jeep that we're using today, or lowered, depending on what your suspension setup is. We can customize those numbers based on our experience versus what the manufacturer recommends when you change the ride height on a vehicle up or down. That will change some of the needs the vehicle has alignment-wise, and we do have over 25 years of experience doing alignments, so we know what those numbers should be to make sure that we can get you the best wear based on your custom needs. One of the nice features about the Hunter Hawkeye Elite is it's got a scanner, so we can scan your VIN, and then your VIN goes onto your printout, so when we hand you your printout, you know that it's for your vehicle, not just for some random vehicle that we may have used. You know you're getting a printout specific to your vehicle. All the measurements, all the manufacturer specifications are on that printout, so you know where it should be in accordance with what the manufacturer recommends based on the manufacturing process. If you recognize any of the symptoms I've talked about, or you're just not sure if you need to get a front end alignment, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.